Hello. In this video, we will go over DWG to DWG conversions. For example, if you receive this sort of drawing, which is from an old AutoCAD system, you will see that it is difficult to work with. For example, if you try to correct the dimensions, you see they do not show up correctly, as the layers are likely not in your convention. But you can correct this using our tool from Print to CAD. I will now click DWG DXF Layer Conversion, and now you can choose the file. And here, under Tools, you will find many useful functions to correct the drawing. For example, under Tools 3, you can see under Blocks and Groups, you can convert the incorrect dimensions into blocks. Under Tools 1, you will find the option to sort entities on layers. For example, I will sort all layers on the layer Text and all dimensions with the layer Dimensions. Now, you simply start the conversion, and if you import the converted drawing, you'll see that the drawing has improved. The dimensions are now blocks and stable. And if you go on layers, you will see the layers Text and Dimensions. The problem, however, is the text and dimensions as you see here. You can also see there's an unusual string which is coming from another AutoCAD application that someone used. And if you want, you can use special functions from our program to delete these strings. If you want to change blue to yellow, you will have to activate the Expert menu. And here under Layers, you will find the option to define a special rule. Here we will create the rule that anything that uses blue must now use yellow. You can define many different rules for layer conversions, text, colors, etc. Now, if you want to correct the text, you can create the rule that any text with this string should be deleted. Now you start the conversion, and you can see that the drawing improved. The text is now correct and the walls are yellow. That's all we have for this video for today. I really appreciate your time, and I shall see you on the next one.